Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about National Achievement Survey 2021 Class 5 Mathematics Model Question Paper Answer Key. Already in my part 1 video, I have discussed 15 questions with regard to mathematics. The continuation of that we will be going to discuss in this video. Before moving on to the topic, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. The part 1 video link I have given in the description box. You can go and check it, or in the suggested iCards and end cards also I have given. Find the letter which is placed inside the circle and square but not in the triangle. See, here they have given circle, square and triangle. So there is some letter which is placed in the circle as well as in the square, but it is not placed in the triangle. So clearly we can see A is placed only in the circle but not in the square. C is placed in the circle and triangle but not in the square. The question what they have given, what is the letter which is placed in the circle as well as square? So clearly it indicates B is the letter which is placed inside the circle as well as in the square, but B is not in the triangle. B doesn't lie anywhere in the triangle. Next, find the difference between place value of 5 in 35150, that is 35,150. See here, there are two 5s. Okay, so place value, it is not face value, place value. So this 5 place value is in the tens place. See, 0 is in the ones place, 5 is in the tens place, 1 is in the hundreds place, this 5 is in the thousands place, this 3 is in the 10,000s place. Okay, so now we want to find the difference between, difference means what you have to do? Subtraction between the place value of 5 in 35,150. So when it is subtraction, the greatest number should be subtracted from the smallest number. Here, what is the place value of this 5? Yes, it is 5,000. What is the place value of this 5? It is in tens place, so it is 50. So 5,000 minus 50 is 4,950. Rama's height is 1 meter 50 centimeter. Then how will you write it in simple form? See, 1 meter means how much centimeter? 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter plus 50 centimeter is equal to 150 centimeter. So how you can convert this centimeter into meter? Divide by 100. Okay, or you can write simply as 1.50 meter. See, this is the answer, 1.50 meter. Next is find the place value of 5 in 6,85,300. See here, 6,85,300. 0 is in zeros place, another 0 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place, 5 is in thousand place, 8 is in 10,000 place, 6 is in lakh place. So where is this 5 lying? What is the place value of 5? 5 into 1000 is 5,000. Okay, it is in thousands place, so 5,000. Next, 20th question is a direct question. 1200 minus 972, which is if you are subtracting, you will be getting 228. Next question, find the difference between 939852, that is 9,39,852 and 43,234. So if you are finding the difference, you will be getting, that is difference means what? Subtraction. 8,96,618. 8,96,618. So your answer is second option. Find out which is wrong. See, 2.5 meter is 250 centimeter. Whether this is wrong. 2.5 kg is 2,500 gram. Whether this is wrong. 2.5 hours is equal to 130 minutes. This is only wrong. This is correct. 2.5 meter is equal to 250 centimeter is right. 2.5 kg is 2500 grams. That is also right. 2.5 hours is not 120 minutes. That is wrong. 2.5 rupees is 250 pies. That is also correct. So let me explain how we have to find out this wrong thing. So first option what they have given, 2.5 meter is equal to 250 centimeter they have given. So this option is correct. Why? Means 1 meter is how much? 100 centimeter. Then 2 meter is 2 into 100 is 200 centimeter. Half meter, 100 divided by 2 is 50 centimeter. Half meter means 50 centimeter. So 200 plus 50 is 250 centimeter. Therefore 2.5 meter is 250 centimeter. So here the first option is also right. Okay, then second option, 2.5 kg is equal to 2500 grams. So 1 kg is 1000 grams. So 2 kg is 2 into 1000, 2000 grams. Half kg 500 grams. So when you are adding it, 2500 grams. So that also is correct. Next, before moving on to the third option, I will explain the fourth option. 2 rupees. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. 2 rupees means 200 pies. 1 rupee is 100 pies. 2 rupees means 200 pies. Half rupee means 50 pies. Okay, 100 divided by 2 is 50. So 2.5 rupees means 2 rupees 50 pies. So you can write it as 250 pies. 200 pies plus 50 pies, that is 250 pies. So this last option is also correct, but the third option is wrong. Let me explain how. So what they have given, 2.5 hours is 130 minutes. 1 hour how many minutes? 60 minutes. Okay, then half an hour how many minutes? 30 minutes. Okay, so 2.5 hours means, so the 1 hour is 60 minutes. 2 hour, half an hour means 30 minutes. 2 hours means 2 into 60, 120 minutes. Okay, then half an hour they have given. Half an hour means 60 divided by 2 is 30 minutes. 2.5 hours means you have to add 120 plus 30, which is 150 minutes. But what they have given in the question, they have given in the question instead of 150, so here 150 minutes is the correct answer, but they have given 130, which is wrong. So the question what you have to find out, wrong answer, which one is wrong you have to find out. So this is wrong. Okay, next question is also more or less same. Which one is wrong? 1.2 meter 120 centimeter is also right. 1.2 kg 1200 grams is also right. 1.2 hours is equal to 120 minutes. That is wrong. I will explain. 1.2 rupees is equal to 120 paisa. First see all the correct options. Here also wrong they have asked. Third option is wrong. I will explain how it is. 1.2 meter is equal to 120 centimeter. 1 meter I told how much? 100 centimeter. 0.2 meter means 20 centimeter. So 1.2 meter means 120 centimeter. 1.2 means 120 centimeter. Next, 1.2 kg is equal to 1200 grams. Yes, 1 kg is 1000 grams. 0.2 kg is 200 grams. So 1.2 kg is 1200 grams. That also correct. Last option let me explain before explaining the third option. 1.2 rupees, that is 1 rupee is 100 paisa, 0.2 is 20 paisa. Okay, so 120, 100 plus 20, 120 paisa. That is also correct. But the 1.2 hours they have given 120 minutes. That is wrong. Let me explain. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 0.2, see 1 hour is 60 minutes. 0.2, so you can write as 60 into 0.2. How many minutes means 12 minutes. So it is 60 plus 12, 72 minutes. Or directly you can multiply 1.2 into 60. If you are doing also, you will be getting 72.0, that is 72 minutes. So this option is only wrong option. Next, how many pieces of 30 centimeter long ribbon can we cut from length of 6 meter ribbon? I told, so they have given 6, 14, 18, 20. You have to find out the answer. 6 meter, 1 meter is 100 centimeter. 6 meter means how much? 600 centimeter. So they have given in 30 centimeter. So you have to convert this 6 meter into centimeter. So to convert meter into centimeter, multiply the number with 100. Since 1 meter is 100 centimeter, 6 meter is equal to 6 into 100, which is equal to 600 centimeter. Now easily you can divide it. So you can divide 600 divided by 30. So 20 times 30 into 20 is 600. Okay, 30 into 20 is 600. So how many ribbons we can cut from 6 meter ribbon? That is, we can cut 20 ribbons from 6 meter ribbon. 6 meter is nothing but 600 centimeters. So convert it, then you have to find out the answer. Without conversion, if you are finding out the answer, you will be getting wrong answer. Next, 26th question. If O is the center of the circle, see here like this they have given O is the center of the circle. AB is 4 centimeter. So AB how much they have given? 4 centimeter. It is nothing but half. Half means what? Diameter. So AB is nothing but the diameter of the circle, which is 4 centimeter. OP is diameter of half of the diameter is radius. Okay, OP is nothing but radius. So here AB is nothing but your diameter, which is 4 centimeter. OP is radius. They have asked you to find out OP. So OP is nothing but, what is the formula? Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, half of the diameter, right? So diameter how much? 4 centimeter. Divided by 2 how much? 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2 centimeter. So your answer is 2 centimeter. Find the diameter of the circle. So here they have given radius. See, half of the thing they have given radius. So you have to find out the diameter. What is the formula for finding out the diameter? 2 into radius. If you want to find out radius, the formula is diameter divided by 2. But if you want to find out diameter, what is the formula? 2r. That is 2 into radius. 2 into r. How much they have given radius? Radius directly they have not given. It is given in a diagram. You should understand this is radius. Half of the diameter is radius. So 2. So 2 into 2 is equal to how much? 4 centimeters. So your answer is 4 centimeter. Next is find the difference between 500.2 and 499.101. So when you are writing it, write what? 500.2, right, put 2 zeros, because in the denominators below thing you have given one more number, no, 499.101. So initially when you are copying it, how you will be copying means 500.2 you will be writing. Next is 499.101. So here nothing is there, no, so you have to fill the 2 zeros. Okay, like that. Then you have to find out the difference. Okay, when you are finding out the difference, you will be getting 1.099. So this is the answer. Fill the box with the correct number. So 24 into, in this box what it should come. So initially the answer is very small digit number. So don't try initially, this and all some tactics. So try with the single digit number first. If you are not getting answer, then you can go for this double digits numbers. So first try either with 7 or 6. So if you are taking 7, the answer is 168, which is wrong. Then try 6. So when you are trying with 6, you have got the answer. So in this box what should come? In this box 6 should come. In this box what should come? 6 should come. A train started its journey from Chennai at 3 p.m. and reached Kanyakumari next day 9 a.m. So today afternoon 3 p.m. in Chennai the train started. Next day morning 9 a.m. it reached Kanyakumari. So find the time travelled. So see, 3 p.m. to 3 a.m. So today 3 p.m. in Chennai it started. tomorrow 9 a.m. in Kanyakumari it reached. So what is the, find the time, total time traveled. So 3 p.m. to 3 a.m. Okay, next day morning 3 a.m. 12 hours. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So totally 12 hours. So from 3 a.m. to 9 a.m. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally 6 hours. So here it is 12 hours, here it is 6 hours. 12 plus 6, 18 hours. So the total time traveled is 18 hours. Next, find the place value of 4 in 2,94,301. Same thing. Write ones place, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place. So what if 4 where it is 1,000 place. So 4 into 1,000, 4,000. How many points are there inside the rectangle? So there are inside the rectangle, not outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are there inside the rectangle. So 5 points are there inside the rectangle. Next, 33rd question. 5 by 6 is equal to dash by 24. You have to find out the number. See, 5 by 6. See, 6 into 4 is 24. So in the top also you have to put the same number. 6 into 4 is equal to 24. So 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 6 into 4. See how you will be getting 24. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. Okay, what number you are putting down? The same number you have to put up. 5 into 4, how much? 20. So your answer is 20. Find the number from the following which is 10 more than the given number, that is 5237, 5237. 10 more. Less means you have to do subtract. More means what you will be doing? Addition. So you have to add. 5237 plus 10 is equal to 5247. Which one is equal to 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5? So what you have to do means you have to do cross multiplication. So 2 plus 3 plus 2 by 5. What you have to do means 2 into 5 plus, take the symbol, 3 into 3 plus down 3 into 5. So the last one is the answer. So this, if you have difficulty, see here they have given, I have written once again, this is the question what they have given. So just cross multiply it. So when you are doing like this, 2 into 5, 2 into 5, okay, plus 3 into 3, here 3 into 5, same, down into down, 2 into 5, 3 into 3, 3 into 5 in the denominator. So this will be equaling to the fourth option. Okay, if this is somewhat difficult, it means just cross multiply it, down what are all the two numbers, multiply it, that will be the answer. You will be learning LCM, that and all, no, so that time you will be coming to know all these things. Okay, so this is a basic. Okay, hope this video is clear for you all. Still I will be posting some more sums in my part 3 and part 4 video. Keep watching it and do your exams well. All the best. Kindly subscribe to our channel. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. Thank you friends.